Did you know that you can take a screenshot on your iPhone just by tapping the back of your phone? No buttons required. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use the back tap feature and take a screenshot quickly and easily. Get your iPhone ready and discover how to set up and use this feature. First, open the settings on your phone. Once you're in the settings, scroll down and find the accessibility section and tap on it. When you're in the accessibility section, scroll down again to the physical and motor section, find the touch option, and tap on it. Once you're on the touch settings page, you'll see several options. You need to find the option called double tap. Scroll down, and at the bottom of the screen, you'll see this option. Tap on it. Once you've done that, you'll now see two options: double tap and triple tap. If you want to take a screenshot by tapping the back of your phone twice, select the double tap option. If you want to take a screenshot by tapping the back of your phone 3 times, select the triple tap option. I'll choose double tap. After selecting your preferred option, you'll see a list of all the functions you can assign to this gesture. Find the screenshot option and tap on it. Once you've done that, your iPhone is now ready to take a screenshot just by tapping the back of your phone. Now, tap the back of your phone twice or 3 times, depending on what you selected, and you'll see that the screenshot is automatically taken. This simple gesture will instantly capture the screen, and you'll hear the familiar screenshot sound and see the animation confirming that the screenshot was successfully taken. And that's it. Like the video if it was helpful, and subscribe to my channel MobiTechStar. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.